A very good morning to our venerated chief guest, Dr. Krishna Chandra Mahapatra, Honorable Cabinet Minister, Department of Housing and Urban Development, Government of Odisha, Chairperson, Sai International, Dr. Silpi Sahu, Academic Director and Senior Principal, Sri Nilakantha Panigrahi, Principal Secondary and Associate Director, Sri Prakash Sahu, Principal Primary and Associate Director, Srimati Rashmi Pandey, respected Headmasters, Sri Amitabh Agnihotri, Sai International Residential School, Directors, Parents, Teachers, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to the Unwind 2024. So we have assembled here for the mega event, the Mega Fest of Sai International School, the 16th Unwind. May I call upon Zara Famida, the Chairman of Unwind 2024, and Bhanushka Samal, the CEO of Unwind 2024, to present the welcome address.
Initiated in the year 2008 by Sai International Education Group's visionary founder, Chairman Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu, Unwind is India's largest student-led cultural fest held annually to inculcate entrepreneurship, leadership, teamwork, critical thinking, persistence, and creativity in the Class 11 students of Humanities and Commerce. Our founder chairman's strong belief in real-life hands-on practice led him to conceptualize this phenomenal event, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for anyone who gets to experience it.
A visionary, a versatile personality and intellectual par excellence, the man behind this exciting and huge event, a person bestowing all the students a lifetime learning experience, the guiding light and the stimulus behind each student was none other than our beloved founder chairman, Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu. Taking forward his legacy is Chairperson Ma'am, Dr. Shilpi Sahu, who is carrying forward the baton of Unwind, the dream mega fest of our beloved founder chairman, sir.
This year, again, we are on our toes to make this mega fest a grand success. Unwind this year is centered around the theme Voyage of Hope. Hope that connects us all, driving us to persevere, dream, and strive for a better future. Voyage of Hope symbolizes the journey we all embark upon, navigating through the challenges and uncertainties of unwavering belief that better days lie ahead. This theme is a tribute to resilience, unity, and the enduring human spirit that fuels progress and transformation.
As we prepare for this year's Unwind, we invite everyone to embrace the spirit of hope and contribute to making this event an unforgettable celebration of positivity and inspiration. Together, let us chart this voyage and leave a legacy of optimism for the years to come. It is an absolute privilege to welcome Dr. Krishna Chandra Mahapatra, the esteemed Cabinet Minister of Housing and Urban Development for the Government of Odisha, as our chief guest for today's event. He did his Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, passed from Mayurbhanj Ayurvedic Mahavidyalaya Baripada in the year 1997 under Utkal University, to construct an additional 50,000 affordable housing units across urban areas. The Odisha State Housing Board, under his guidance, has already developed over 32,000 plots with a strong focus on key urban centers like Bhubaneswar and Rourkela.
As students, we are often inspired by stories of leadership that drive positive change. And Sri Krishna Chandra Mahapatra's work stands as a true testament to that. His dedication to improving urban infrastructure and creating affordable housing solution for the people of Odisha reflects the very essence of visionary leadership. We are extremely honored to have your gracious presence.
Thank you, Vanushka and Zara. Now we would request our respected chief guest, Dr. Krishna Chandra Mahapatra, and our chairperson, ma'am, to kindly come up on the stage for the felicitation of the students. I would request Chairperson ma'am to kindly present a token of our appreciation and gratitude to our honorable guest, Dr. Krishna Chandra Mahapatra. Every year we conduct business model competition for commerce students and humanities model competition for students of humanities. These competitions, thank you ma'am for doing the honors. These competitions are held with a motto to encourage the budding entrepreneurs to come up with innovative ideas in the field of business and also motivate the students to come up with very exciting and innovative models on different subjects. Now I would request our senior principal, Sri Nilakanta Panigrahi, to kindly join us for the awards for the business model competition and humanities model competition. We will be starting with the humanities model competition. May I call upon Anshika Karali, Ankita Das, Rashri Naik, and Ritul Gatia for getting the third prize in the humanities model competition. Huge congratulations. Humanities model competition is organized for all the students of humanities and on very different and interesting subjects, interesting topics. Big round of applause for the winners. Now may I move on to second prize winners. May I call upon Vyapti Patra, Sara Anvita and Ishana Sahu for getting the second prize in the humanities model competition. The second prize is jointly backed by Rishi Kaushik Mahapatra along with his friends. So may I call upon Rishi Kaushik Mahapatra getting the second prize jointly with the other group. And the winners of the humanities model competitions are Kumari Bhumika Behera and Twisha Rajguru. A huge round of applause for the winners of the humanities model competition. Congratulations, children, for your effort in reaching the top. Now we move on to the business model competition. The third prize goes to Rudra Prasad Sahu, Krishna Kesav Sahu, and Somesh Kumar Sahu. The third prize winners of business model competition. Again, this competition was compulsory for the students of commerce. And out of so many students, it's actually a proud moment to be getting the third prize from our honorable guest. Second prize, jointly backed by Vaishnavi Yadav and Shivani Mishra in one group. Vaishnavi Yadav and Shivani Mishra. Huge round of applause for these winners. The second prize is jointly backed by Shaurya Bhura and Sabyasachi Rath. Congratulations to the winners, and would request a big round of applause from the audience. And the first prize, the winners of the business model competitions are Arul Malviya, Shreyas Savanjit Nayak and Sohan Kar. Huge round of applause for all the winners. Congratulations. As always, Sai International School strives to achieve 360-degree development of each and every Sainier and felicitates the seniors for their outstanding achievements. On this grand day, we wish to honor the proud parents of the proud senior who has proved his mettle by becoming the school topper. I would like to mention that Master Shashwat Panigrahi, by dint of his hard work, persistence and zeal to excel in academics, has become the school topper by securing 99.2% in CBSE Class 12 board examination. I would request the parents and Shashwat to kindly come up and receive the award from our honorable dignitaries. As we know, parents play a vital role in a child's life, and without their support and dedication, no child can succeed in life. So today we have the parent of Master Shashwat Panigrahi who's going to be presented the Holistic Parenting Award for her relentless effort, perseverance, devotion and care. It's indeed a proud moment. Proud moment for the school and the parents. A huge round of applause for Shashwat Panigrahi for being the school topper from Commerce Stream. Thank you so much, parents. Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the honors. And now I would request our chief guest to kindly declare this Sai Unwind 2024 open.
धन्यवाद. जय जगन्नाथ. मु निश्चित भाव में सर्वप्रथमे डॉक्टर विजय कुमार साहू को प्रणाम जनाऊँगी एवं तांको धन्यवाद वर्तमान दूची जे सी एपरी भावना नहीं एपरी गोटे स्कूल गठन करके जाइछंती. तेणु मो तरफ मु निश्चित भाव में भगवान को पाखरे प्रार्थना करी ए भलिया व्यक्ति जो व्यक्ति को सी जन्म देइथिले माटी रे ए भलिया जड़े यज्ञपुत्र जे आज एते बड़ अनुष्ठान छाड़ी के एठी जाइछंती समाजर मंगल पाई. निश्चित भाव में शिक्षा ता संगे संस्कार छुआंकर भविष्य निर्माण करे. तेणु सी एबड़ी गोटे अनुष्ठान छाड़ी जाइछंती जोठी शिक्षा संगे संस्कार रखिछंती. ये पिलांकर भविष्य निर्माण करिवो, आंकर चरित्र निर्माण करिवो. तेणु मो तरफ तो मु बहुत आधारी एवं मु आज मध्य धन्यवाद दूची जे तांकर मिसेस साहू तांकर सहधर्मिणी से निष्ठार सहित ए अनुष्ठान को से बड़े भाव में जीवित करके रखिछंती. एवं आनंद लगिला मु आसीबा परे पशु पशु मु अनुभव कली जे खाली गठन करदेले हुएनी निजर भावना मध्य चेतना मध्य सेठी प्रवेश करिते से अनुष्ठान निश्चित भाव में भल अनुष्ठान होगी तैयारी हुए जो थे कि तांकर भावना एवं तांकर चेतना एवं निजे निजर इन्वॉल्वमेंट को ए स्कूल संगे केते रखिछंती मु पशु पशु अनुभव कली. तेणु मु निश्चित भाव में तांको भी धन्यवाद देवी. से तांकर निष्ठापर भाव में जो ये अनुष्ठान को जागृत करके रखिछंती. निश्चित भाव में स्वर्गत डॉक्टर विजय कुमार साहू सी निश्चित भाव में कौटी ना कौटी एभलिया यज्ञ पत्नी को से पाइथिले बोली से भी निजे अनुभव करुथिबे स्वर्ग रे थाई. जाओ आज बहुजन को निजे निजर कैपेसिटी को वृद्धि कराइबा पाई जो भले अभिनव उपाय रे पिला मानकर टैलेंट को ये प्रकाश कराउथिले एवं से माने आज समस्ते यज्ञ है कि ये प्राइज नेले. ये भी गोटे भल चिंतन एवं भल भावनार कथा. से धन्यवाद दूची एभलिया मानसिकता रखिकी से जहाँ करुछंती. निश्चित भाव में ये अनुष्ठान उत्तर उत्तर कामना करुछि भविष्य उज्ज्वलमय हो या आहरी विकसित हो. ये निश्चित भाव में भल पिला बाहरंतु एवं देशर भविष्य निर्माण रे एमाने मध्य सहयोग करंतु. धन्यवाद देवी. प्रभु साई को नाम रे करिसेंती साई इंटरनेशनल. प्रभु साई निश्चित भाव में आहरी मिसेस साहू को सहायता होंतु से आहरी उन्नतर उन्नत तैयारी करंतु एवं निज भावना सहित आपको जड़ित करी आहरी ये ओडिशार नामकरण को स्पष्टी नामकरण को आहुरी वृद्धि करंतु। मु निश्चित भाव में उपस्थित थिबा समस्त ए स्कूल जेते अभिभावक छात्र छात्री तथा ये शिक्षानुष्ठान समस्त शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री मानक मध्य मु यथेष्ट धन्यवाद देउछि जे सेमाने भी मध्य निष्ठापर भाव में ये स्कूल ले शिक्षादान दौरान एवं छात्र छात्री भविष्य निर्माण रे लगी शिक्षा संगे जो संस्कार दौरान से मो तरफ मु समस्त को अभिवादन एवं शुभेच्छा एवं धन्यवाद जनाऊँगी। समस्त को मु आउ थे धन्यवाद दे मोर वक्तव्य को विराम दूसरी। वंदे उत्कल जननी। I declare Sai Unwind 2024 open.
My dear students and dear parents, I just want to make a note of this, that Honorable Minister, out of his extremely busy schedule, Honorable Prime Minister is here and all the honorable dignitaries of the center are here in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar today. But still, in spite of his all these busy schedules, he agreed, he consented when I requested him to come to the school and be the chief guest. So, my dear students, let's all thank our Honorable Minister with the signature clap of our chairman, sir, the clap of happiness. Thank you, thank you. Sir, whatever you are seeing today, it's only because of the entire Unwind team present here. For the past few months, they have done a lot of hard work, put in a lot of effort, and this is the culmination of what they have done. They approached different companies, collected sponsorships, and this is the culmination. And I would request the OBs and the directors of Unwind 2024 to please be on the stage, and rest of the team Unwind to stand there. All the Unwind team, OBs and directors of Unwind 2024.